Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix the no sound or no audio issue on your HP laptop, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The most common reason for having no sound is simply that Windows is trying to send audio to the wrong place, like a monitor or a disconnected headset. First, go down to your taskbar at the bottom right and look for the speaker icon. Click on it once to open the quick settings or volume slider. Look to the right of the volume bar. You will see a small arrow or an icon that looks like a speaker with a list. Click that arrow to see all available playback devices. Make sure Speakers, Realtek High Definition Audio, or HP Speaker is selected. If it was set to something else, click the correct one and test your sound immediately. If selecting the right speaker didn't work, we can let Windows find the glitch for us. Right-click on that same speaker icon in the taskbar. Select Troubleshoot Sound Problems or Diagnose Audio Problems. A window will pop up and start scanning your audio services. If it asks which device you want to troubleshoot, select Speakers and click Next. Follow the on-screen prompts. It might ask to turn off audio enhancements, which you should try saying yes to, as these often cause conflicts. Finally, if the sound is still dead, we need to refresh the driver software that controls your speakers. Right-click on the Start button, the Windows logo, at the bottom left. From the list that pops up, select Device Manager. In the new window, look for the section called Sound, Video, and Game Controllers and double-click it to expand the list. Find your main audio device. It is usually named Realtek High Definition Audio or something similar. Right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. In the new window, look for the section called Sound, Video, and Game Controllers and double-click it to expand the list. Find your main audio device. It is usually named Realtek High Definition Audio or something similar. Right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. Don't worry, this is safe. A warning box will appear. Simply click Uninstall. Once it disappears from the list, restart your laptop. When Windows boots back up, it will automatically reinstall a fresh, working version of that driver, restoring your sound. And that's it. You now know how to diagnose and fix your audio issues, so you can get back to watching videos and listening to music. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.